Hi, my name's Tom, and these are my new little solar bulbs for my garden. I got 12 of them in a package, and I just wanted to kind of talk about them, kind of show you what they are. So the way these work is all they do is they are solar powered. There's a little solar cell on top, and that solar cell will go ahead and collect light all day long, and then when it's dark, and I'll show you, there's a little sensor, boop, they turn on. Now here in the middle of the day, they don't look very bright, but they actually are kind of nice. They're a nice little ambiance. I don't know if I would read or light up an entire patio with them, but they're a great little ambiance for a garden or for a patio, kind of a walkway. They would definitely be useful. A couple other quick features. They come with a little clip kind of installed on it. This is an alligator clip, so if you have a cord or a line, you can actually put that onto the cord itself. It's very tight. It'll hold you, it'll pinch my finger pretty good. Another way you can do it, you can run a hook through it. So if you have a hook, we can put it on a hook like that. That's what we're gonna do in our backyard. We have little shepherd hooks. This is actually, the globe itself is actually cracked glass or crackled glass. It's real glass, it is not plastic. These things are heavy for what they are. It's real glass, you can see, they look pretty nice. I can cover them both, I can cover up the sensors and they both come on and see. The crackled glass actually kind of adds, again, another kind of little ambiance to it. And this stuff up here, this silver stuff, is actually metal. It's not plastic. I'm actually pretty impressed with the quality of these. They are metal, and they're real metal, they're real glass, and they work pretty well. We've only had them up charging for about 4 or 5 hours last night when we put them out. But then we go ahead and they went on most of the night. They were on all night long to the morning, and we came out in the morning and they were still glowing fine until the sun comes up. They will automatically turn off when dawn comes or when there's enough sunlight outside, and they'll automatically turn on a little bit after dusk. So when it starts getting dark enough that it'll actually work. And you can see, again, whenever I cover up that sensor, boop, it turns on. Let me go ahead and show you what they really look like when they're in use. So here are our little glow lights. They are just hanging on the shepherd hooks during the day. They just look like little glowy balls, little glass balls. But then at night they will go ahead and light up, and I'll show you that in a moment. And here they are at night. It is not quite pitch black out. You can still see a little bit of light in the sky, but you can kind of sense of how bright they are. They're about 1.5 feet off the ground, and they are actually kind of covering the ground. They have a little light glow behind them. The light does reach the ground, so they would be good if you were to put them on a hook for like a little pathway. Can you read by them? No, but you don't really need to, because the whole idea is to kind of add a sense of ambiance and a sense of light and kind of show you where the edges of the yard are in my case. And yeah, they look really, really nice. I'll kind of zoom into one. How's that? There you go. That's really nice. These are the warm whites. They are a warmer white, so warm white tends to look a little bit dimmer. The bright whites might be a little bit brighter. And then there are also color globes as well. But yeah, very nice. And these will last probably for about 8 or 9 hours of light, so it will last the whole night, especially during the summertime.